Let's make Ukodo, a warm and spicy chicken pepper soup with yam. Start by peeling your yam, cutting it into desired sizes and washing thoroughly. Add the yam chunks to a pot. Pour in blended pepper soup spices and fresh pepper. Add some water, then rinse out the remaining spice mixture with a little more water and add to the pot. Stir to combine. Cover and let it cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Now, add your seasoning and salt to taste, then stir gently. Add the already boiled chicken along with the chicken stock. Sprinkle in ground crayfish and stir again to mix everything well. Let it simmer together for another 8 to 10 minutes or until the yam is soft and the flavors are well combined. And just like that, our delicious Ukodo is ready. Rich, spicy, and so good. This meal is perfect for a cold day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.